Find all integer solutions of the equation 1 over x plus 1 over y equals 1 over 19. Pause the video to see how many solutions you can find. I'll get straight into it. Multiply the top and bottom of the 1 over x by y. And for 1 over y, multiply everything by x, top and bottom. So that would be y plus x over xy equals 1 over 19. So now you cross multiply to get 19 x plus y, which is the same as y plus x, equals xy. And here we can assume that x equals 19k, where k is an integer. And here, in order to have integer solutions, at least one of x and y must be divisible by 19. Since the equation is symmetric, here we can make the assumption that x equals 19k, where k would be a value that is an integer value. So here that implies that ky equals 19k plus y. And there, from the fact that ky equals 19k plus y, we can see that 19k plus y must be divisible by k. Therefore, y equals km, where m is an integer. So what that means is ky equals 19k plus y, as we've said, implies that km equals 19 plus m. And so if we factor everything out to get everything to one side, apart from the 19, we'd get km minus m equals 19, which would be m brackets k minus 1 equals 19. And now, since both k and m are integers, now we can find a few possible combinations for which the above equation holds. So if m equals 19, k minus 1 would be 1. So in that case, x would be 38 and y would be 38. So I'll write that out. Now, if m equals minus 19, k minus 1 would have to equal minus 1 in order for minus 19 times minus 1 to equal 19. So here, x equals 0 and y would be 0 as well in that solution. But that wouldn't work because 1 over 0 is infinite and that wouldn't be a potential solution. If m were to equal minus 1, then k minus 1 would equal 19, thus, which would mean that x equals 380 and y would be 20 in that case. So here we can see I've listed out every potential solution. We ruled out x equals 0 and y equals 0 as that was an impossible solution, which would have to reject. X equals 38, y equals 38, x equals 380, y equals 20, x equals minus 342, and y equals 18. And because it was written in the format of 1 over x plus 1 over y, we can reverse the solutions too. So for x equals 380 and y equals 20, x could be 20 and y could be 380. For the bottom one, x could be 18 and y could be minus 342. So there's two solutions for each of the bottom ones where m equals 1 and minus 1. And you cannot reverse the x equals 38 and y equals 38, as either way is the same solution. So total, there'll be one solution here, 2 here, and 2 here, which would mean there are 5 solutions in total. So altogether, here are the 5 solutions. This was quite a difficult question from this Maths Olympiad. If you want me to clarify anything, leave your questions down below.